Okay, so we're gonna give you a little taste of Macau at nighttime. This is, I'll give you the name of the street down in a minute, because I don't see it right here, but I'll film it later when we get to it. Okay, so here we go, a little taste on a Saturday night about 9:30 in the evening. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna head down this street. Give you a little bit of this is the Portuguese Consulate right there. There's a big Portuguese flag up ahead. There's even some artwork over there. A little bit hard to see at nighttime. And we're going to go down this busy street and follow the nighttime look. So yeah, there's not really any central nightlife space for Macau. I mean, there is, but this is nice and well lit, and it's not really nightlife. It's more like shopping, basically. But it goes to Sao Paulo Ruins and Senado Square, which is just beautiful at nighttime. So we're gonna follow this street down to that location, and we'll kind of see what's going on at this time of night. And as you can see, it's there's those stores open. I don't know what it looks like in the camera. It's probably I mean, you may or may not be interested, but you can definitely see that Macau has all these lights everywhere. Some nice, beautiful lanterns there. Right there's Grand Lisboa Casino. Let's just kind of go across this. Here's the name of our street right here. Rua de Pedro, Nolasco, de Silva. And I'm just gonna take a look down here real quick. There's Grand Lisboa, there's some artwork. And Bistro de Indochina. They have real good food here. I'm just kind of curious if it's open or if anything's going on. Yeah, it's nice during the daytime. They get their lanterns out. Indigo vintage. Oh, looks like a basketball court right there. I mean, a rim anyways. But yeah, this has real good food in here. Let's go back up. The owner of this place is also the same that's in Cathedral Cafe, which is not too far from here. So let's continue walking up Rua de Pedro Nolasco de Silva. That's where we just came from. Oh, that's kind of cool. Got a billboard there, another billboard up there. So yeah, when you're in this area, let's see the black and white tiles too. It has a nice, nice energy to it, nice vibe. And down at the end, there's a Portuguese bookstore, so we're definitely gonna walk by that one in a little bit. Let's see, parking lot. Some of the stores are closing already. I think it's about 9:15, something like that. There's a little shopping area. There's a KFC in the back there. This is Teresa dos Anjos, Street of the Angels. Usually they have fruit right here, but that's I'll film here sometimes. Nice little alley. Let's keep on going down. Let me see. This is called Capitol Theater. So Capitol Theater has these kind of like all these little boutiques. Used to have a cinema there, but that's no longer there anymore. Okay. We have a nice, this is a really beautiful colonial building as well. A lot of shoe shops in Macau. I'm not sure if that's because of the mainlander market has a demand for shoes. I don't know what it is, but there's a lot of them around. More shops, more shoe shops. And here we got Adidas shoe shop and Manning's and a restaurant. And we got a Portuguese bookstore right here, which is already closed. think it closes around 8 p.m. I think. Burnout. So you can see they're written in Portuguese, but there's also books in English here too. Portrait of Dorian Gray. Okay, so now we're gonna walk into the coolest part. So we're actually just transferred into Rua de São Domingo, so this is actually a different name of a street, but I think we're just gonna label it accordingly with the other one anyways. And we'll keep on strolling down. Yeah, it's a little bit late. If I was here a little bit earlier, it'd be more lit up. Usually like right when the sun goes down is quite amazing. It's Saturday right now, Saturday evening, 9:15, 9:30, something like that. Yeah, maybe it's just a little bit too late at the moment. There's some people down there. Let's see. Gonna go all the way down there. Let me see. That's Sao Domingos that way, and then this is Sao Paulo Ruins down this way. So we're gonna walk towards Sao Paulo Ruins. So Sao Domingos, there's a little plaza, and then Senado Square is directly down that way. Rua de Palha, this one's called. So we're gonna walk down this way a little bit. So yeah. All right. So yeah, not too bad, eh? A little bit dark out. Then you keep going all the way down that way to Sao Paulo Ruins. This is a little plaza right here. And then Sao Paulo Ruins is all the way down. So maybe we'll keep walking a little bit more. Yeah, we'll walk a little bit more. So we can kind of get a feel for the length of some of these streets too. Like when you get in this area, there's a lot to keep on walking down even at nighttime. Even when you think most of the businesses are closed, there's still people around and places to go, right? Sao Paulo Ruins is right around the corner. Straight ahead. Oh, yeah, so actually I guess I'll name it, that's the name of the first street, but then we'll just, I guess we'll just label it that street all the way to Sao Paulo Ruins maybe. And I'm kind of walking fast, but I just want to get up there just to show you. Those are like, those are common in Macau. Keep on going. Lots of little side streets everywhere. And a little bit dark, things are closing down. It is Saturday night. This isn't really the nightlife area, but there are always a lot of people around all times of day, especially in the daytime. But there's still people around at nighttime too, as you can see. And Sao Paulo Ruins is straight ahead. So I think what we'll do is just keep filming it. Got lots of people up here too. And then this film, still okay, eight and a half minutes. So basically we started at that film and at that one street location, they were basically at Sao Paulo Ruins. And I'm walking fast intentionally because I kind of want to get up there quicker today. And there's Sao Paulo Ruins right there. There's also some apartments up there. And Uniqlo right there. So yeah, Sao Paulo Ruins. Lots of people all the way up as well. I think what we'll do is we'll just follow this all the way up, just to give you that full context of it. All right. Moving right along. There we go. And we're all the way to the top. There's Sao Paulo Ruins. There's a fortress over there. That's where we just came from. So, all right, made it. Grand Lisboa. That's the biggest casino. Sao Paulo Ruins. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.